Chapter 2. In this chapter, we will explore more tips to help you learn English. Learning a language is like building a house. You start with the basics and slowly add more skills. One good way to improve is by repeating what you learn. Repetition helps you remember things better. When you repeat a word or sentence many times, it becomes easier to remember. I used to repeat new words every day. I said them out loud until I could say them without thinking. Repeating words or sentences helps you become more confident. So, practice often by repeating things you learn. Another great way to improve is by learning phrases, not just words. A phrase is a group of words that you can use together in a sentence. For example, instead of just learning the word book, learn the phrase read a book. Learning phrases helps you speak more naturally. I learned many phrases when I was studying English. For example, how are you? And what's your name? These phrases helped me talk to people more easily. So try to learn useful phrases. They will help you speak better. Sometimes learning a language feels hard, but you should never give up. Keep going, even when you feel tired or frustrated. Every little bit of practice counts. When I felt like I wasn't improving, I remembered how much I had learned. Slowly, I started to feel better. I saw progress little by little. It's okay to have bad days, but don't give up. Keep practicing, and you will get better. So stay patient. Your hard work will pay off. You can also use flashcards to help you learn. Flashcards are cards with a word on one side and the meaning or picture on the other side. You can use flashcards to study new words. I made flashcards for every new word I learned. I looked at the word and tried to remember its meaning. Flashcards are a great way to review words quickly. You can carry them with you and study any time. So try using flashcards. They are an easy way to learn and review. It's also helpful to learn English through your hobbies. For example, if you like cooking, you can learn English by reading recipes. If you like sports, you can watch games in English and learn the names of players and teams. I loved watching movies and reading books in English. It helped me learn new words that were fun to use. Learning English through things you like makes it more interesting. So, use your hobbies to learn English. It will make it more fun. Another great way to practice is to join an English-speaking group. When you talk to other people, you can learn new words and practice speaking. There are many online groups or classes where you can talk to people from around the world. I joined an online group when I was learning. We talked in English about different topics. It helped me speak better and learn how others use English. So, try joining an English group. Speaking with others will help you improve faster. Don't forget to take notes. Write down new words, phrases, or grammar rules you learn. Writing things down helps you remember them better. I used to carry a notebook with me everywhere. Whenever I learned something new, I wrote it down. At the end of the day, I would look at my notes to review. This helped me remember what I had learned. So, always take notes. They help you keep track of your progress. If you feel nervous about speaking in English, that's okay. Many people feel this way. The important thing is to practice. Start by talking to yourself. Speak out loud about your day or describe what's around you. As you practice more, you will feel more comfortable. I was nervous too when I started speaking in English, but I kept practicing and soon it became easier. So don't be afraid to speak. The more you practice, the easier it gets. You can also learn from your mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a language, and it's okay. Mistakes help you learn. If you make a mistake, don't feel bad. Think about what went wrong and try to fix it. I made many mistakes when I was learning English, but instead of being upset, I used them as a chance to improve. The more I learned from my mistakes, the better I got. So, don't worry about mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Listening to others is another important way to improve. When you listen to people speaking English, you learn how to use the words and phrases correctly. You also get better at understanding the language. You can listen to podcasts, watch YouTube videos, or talk to English speakers. I used to listen to podcasts every day. It helped me improve my listening skills and my vocabulary. So, listen as much as you can. The more you listen, the better you will understand. One more tip is to set small goals. It's good to have big goals, but small goals help you stay on track. So, take your time and learn grammar little by little. It will help you speak and write better. Sometimes, learning can feel difficult, but you should not give up. Keep going, even when things are hard. When I felt frustrated, I reminded myself how far I had come. I saw my progress, and that helped me keep going. It's normal to have difficult days, but don't stop. Every day you practice is one day closer to your goal. So, stay motivated and keep learning. Another helpful tip is to focus on your strengths. If you are good at listening, listen more. If you are good at reading, read more. Everyone has their own strengths when learning a language. When I was learning, I was good at listening, so I listened to English a lot. But I worked on my speaking and writing because they were harder for me. Focus on what you're good at and practice the things that are harder for you. This will help you become a well-rounded learner. You should also make learning fun. If you enjoy learning, you will want to do it more. You can listen to music in English, watch TV shows, or play games. I loved playing word games to learn new words. I also watched a lot of TV shows and read a lot of books. Thank you for listening. Keep shining, keep learning, and never give up. Your future is bright, and you are unstoppable. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure you don't miss our next one. We have an exciting and engaging topic lined up to help you practice your listening skills. Click here to watch it and keep improving your English.